guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Yvonne and today I am come up with a very interesting skincare video which can be used in any season and it makes your skin really soft, supple and also gives you a little bit nice glow to your skin. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. But before we get started with the skincare video, please do subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. You all are very stingy in hitting that like button. Please do hit that like button so I get motivated to get more such interesting videos, and also share the video with your family and friends. It will help me to just grow my channel and make my YouTube channel a little bit more bigger. So please do help. And now let's begin with the video. The first skincare what I'm going to share with you all is a face pack, which is the Besan and Turmeric face pack. And let's first see how to prepare the face pack. So now for the face pack, here I have taken 1 tablespoon of besan. As we all know, besan has the properties that treat acne. It also helps to control excess sebum production and soothes inflamed skin. It also exfoliates the dead skin and it lightens tan. The second thing which we require is half a tablespoon of yogurt. Now yogurt will add moisture to the skin and make the skin very soft and supple. It also helps to lock in the moisture in your skin, and it brightens the skin and also reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps to fight acne. This is 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey also moisturizes the skin deeply and acts as a pore cleanser. It is gentle exfoliator. It helps to fight acne and pimples and also adds a natural glow to the skin. This is 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. As we all know, turmeric always has been used in many of our face packs and also helps to reduce acne. It also helps to calm your skin and it also brightens your skin and gives a natural glow. So lemon juice, it contains vitamin C which helps to reduce skin damage and premature aging. It also helps to reduce oil on the skin and it helps in skin lightening as well. And so now here, as you can see, our face pack is ready. So now I'll apply it on my hands and show you the difference. So this is the before of my hand. Now very gently I'm going to apply this besan, just scrubbing it in circular motions and applying it. Apply a thin layer only. And now after you finish applying it, you just rotate it in circular motions. This will help to exfoliate the skin as well. Do this very gently on your skin. Keep on rubbing it in circular motions very gently for 5 minutes. And now you leave it for dry for 10 to 20 minutes till it's completely dry. So now it has been 10 minutes and here I've got a bowl of normal regular water. I'm just going to dip my fingers in this and just rub it in circular motions to remove the pack. You can do this with lukewarm water as well. And now I'll rinse my hand and then I'll show it to you all. So now this is my hand after washing it, and as you can see, it is glowing and it's very soft. As you can see how clean the hand looks as well. Now the second skincare is a body scrub, and you can do it before you have a shower. I would suggest you all do it before having a shower, because the oil which we are using will just come out during your shower and keep your skin really moisturized as well and make it very soft. So let's begin with our second one, which is a coffee and coconut oil scrub. Now for our body scrub, which is a coffee body scrub, it really makes the skin very soft. And here I have taken 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. This is ground coffee. Coffee has a very calming effect on the skin. It also has anti-aging benefits. It reduces inflammation. It helps to treat acne and it is an excellent exfoliator. It helps to make the skin smoother. Here I half a tablespoon of sugar. This is granulated sugar, as you all can see. As we know, sugar softens and exfoliates the skin and gives a glow. It also helps to remove dead skin because it's obviously an exfoliator. The third and final ingredient which goes for our body scrub is coconut oil. Now coconut oil helps to hydrate your skin. It also helps to protect it, smooths it. It also gets easily absorbed into the skin and acts as a great base for exfoliants. So now into my ground coffee, I'm going to add in the sugar as well as the coconut oil. The sugar was half a teaspoon and the coconut oil also is half a teaspoon. Now we'll just mix everything together. We don't want to dissolve the sugar because that only is going to act as a scrub for us. It should be kind of a sandy texture like this. You can see how kind of a grainy texture it has. Now we are going to just take some onto our hands and just scrub it well. It's going to help to exfoliate the skin by removing the dead cells, but please be gentle because there are sugar granules in it, so be gentle and scrub it for 5 to 10 minutes very gently in circular motions. Now it has been 5 minutes and I've been scrubbing it. So now I'll just let it sit for another 5 minutes and then we'll wash it off. So as you all can see, my hand is really looking very clean and very soft, as you all can see it. And I'm also feeling the coconut oil has really moisturized my skin. And I used it before having my shower, so all that excess coconut oil got washed away with the soap and everything. But my skin really feels very smooth and soft. So guys, after using this face mask and the scrub, my skin has become really soft and supple, as you all can see. Even my hands have become really soft, which were a little bit kind of rough before and a little bit hard kind of something. It's become really soft, and usually I use it either once a week sometimes, or in 15 days once at least I do this scrub and this face mask thing. So if you all also are doing it, please do let me know how you all like the scrub and the face mask. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the post notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. Also don't forget to share this video so that all of us have soft skin soon. And as